Creating a chat platform like Omegle involves several key components that ensure user engagement and safety. With over 20 million monthly visitors, the appeal lies in anonymity and spontaneous connections. Let's explore the essential elements needed to build such a platform. The core of a chat platform like Omegle is random pairing, allowing users to interact through text or video chats based on shared interests or randomly. Moderation is crucial, with functionalities for reporting misconduct to ensure a secure environment. A user-friendly interface facilitates easy navigation and immediate conversations. Understanding the audience, primarily teens and young adults aged 13-30, is vital for tailoring the experience to their preferences for casual encounters and anonymity. A robust technical stack is necessary for managing user interactions. JavaScript is the most used programming language, facilitating real-time chat functionality. HTML and CSS form the foundation for building and styling the web page. For the front end, React is ideal for creating reusable user interface elements. On the back end, Node.js enables real-time communication. Choosing the right database, like MySQL or MongoDB, is essential for storing chat logs and user information. Designing the user interface, UI, and user experience, UX, is crucial. A well-designed UI can boost a website's conversion rate significantly. Simplicity, minimalism, and mobile-centric design are key drivers of positive user experiences. Engaging users with a user-friendly design increases satisfaction and lowers bounce rates, enhancing brand credibility. Setting up random chat functionality involves backend configuration, database integration, and using WebSocket for real-time chat. Developing a user matching algorithm ensures users are paired only when available. For audio and video features, WebRTC is recommended for peer-to-peer calls. Implementing safety moderation and user reporting functionalities is essential for maintaining a secure environment. Extensive testing before launch is crucial. It helps identify bugs, optimize performance, and ensure a smooth user experience. Beta testing with real users provides valuable feedback. Techniques include finding testers through social media, setting specific goals, and using platforms like user testing to gather insights. Legal frameworks are vital for data protection. Privacy policies should clearly state data collection methods. User agreements must outline acceptable behavior and penalties for violations. Compliance with local laws such as GDPR and CCPA is essential. Implementing data security measures, like encryption and regular audits, safeguards user information.